Cindy with Kansas Hydrographics, and we have a new flower pattern for you. Let me get that right one there for you. Blue Microflowers is the name of the pattern, and these are micro. They are teeny tiny. Great pattern for small objects. There's always a request for small patterns, so here's a good one for you. These are dark blue and light blue, and then a little bit of white that's in the background is transparent. Not a whole lot of transparency though. It's pretty covered, but you do want to keep that in mind when you're choosing a base coat. If you want it just like that, then you need to use a white base coat, which is what we're going to use. We're dipping to a white speed shape. We are using Hydrographics Activator. I have this pretty dang tight. I want to get this as close to the true size as possible so you guys can see how small it goes. But you're welcome to loosen up your dams and let it expand if you want those flowers to be a little bit larger. I'm hoping that was about a 1 minute soak time. That's what we shoot for, but I don't have my timer on me today. So if you read your film, you should be all right. Yep, those print nice. That is pretty darn close to, well, that's pretty much dead on with the actual size that you'll see on the film. So those can be very small. That's a really good pattern. You can put it on large parts too. I mean, this makes the speed shape look huge, and it still looks all right. Anyway, that is our blue microflowers. That should be in our abstract section. That's where most of our flower patterns are. That's obviously at kansashydrographics.com. Make sure you guys are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Also, if you haven't by now, you should definitely have our app. Most people do. It's just really handy and easy to search, especially when you're on the go and you run into a client and they want to look at patterns. It's just really easy to look at it that way. Anyway, that's at kansashydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.